Ever wondered why we get hiccups? It's actually your body glitching for a moment. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. When it jerks too fast, your vocal cords instantly close, and that's the hic sound you hear. Why it happens? You can get hiccups when you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, laugh too hard, or even when you get excited. Fun fact, scientists still don't know the exact purpose of hiccups, but babies hiccup even before they're born, so next time you go hic, remember, your diaphragm just hit the surprise button. Now you know. Like and subscribe for more quick science facts.